In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter 1099 MASC on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in TurboTax Online to start entering this form quickly and correctly. First, make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax Online return for the correct tax year and have your form 1099 MASC handy. You'll want to refer to the payer information and the amounts on the form as you go. From the main TurboTax dashboard, move your mouse to the top navigation and hover over income. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens the income menu and helps you jump straight to the area where all income types are organized, so you don't have to dig through unrelated sections. Next, select Wages and Income Summary. This takes you to a page that lists the different categories of income you can report. Think of it as your master checklist for wages, interest, investments, and other income items. If you've already entered something this year, you'll see it summarized here. On the summary page, scroll until you see Other Common Income and select it. This section collects a handful of non-wage items that many people receive but don't always know where to put. The 1099 MSC belongs here because it typically covers things like rent, prizes or awards, certain legal settlements, and other miscellaneous payments. Within Other Common Income, look for Form 1099 MISC and click Start. That's the doorway into TurboTax's guided interview for this form. Once you're in, TurboTax will ask for the details from your paper or electronic 1099 misc, who paid you, how much they paid, and what the payment was for. Answering these questions carefully helps TurboTax place the income on the correct part of your return and apply any follow-up questions that matter for your situation. A quick tip: double check that your form really is a 1099 MISC and not a 1099 NIC. Non-employee compensation for work you performed as a contractor usually appears on a 1099 NEC and is entered in a different spot. If your 1099 MISC shows income for things like rent, royalties, or prizes, you're in the right place here. As you proceed, keep an eye out for questions about the nature of the payment. The selection you make can affect whether the income is treated as self-employment or as other income not subject to self-employment tax. If you're unsure, use the brief descriptions on each screen and match them to the reason the payer issued your 1099 MISC. When you're finished with the interview, you'll be brought back to your income summary, where you can confirm the entry was added. That's it. Hover over Income, open the Wages and Income Summary, go to Other Common Income, and start the 1099 MSCI interview to get it done.